this is Chinmayi. Today I'm going to be using the Ordinary's AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. Let me take you right in. The Ordinary's AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution is a leave-in mask which you use once weekly, and it comes in a 30 ml dropper bottle. It retails for about $12.30 on the Deciem website, or 800 rupees in our currency. So this is something that if you're a seasoned acid user, if you've been using acids for exfoliation for a pretty long time, this should not hurt you. One of the first things to keep in mind, ideally if you're using it for the first time, test it on your arm, especially on your wrist or somewhere where you feel that your skin might actually give you a good result as long as sensitivity or anything is concerned. Thereafter, patch test again somewhere around your neck or your jaw, and if your skin is very sensitive, this is not for you. So again, if you patch test around your jaw and if you feel that your skin agrees with it, then you can go ahead and use it on your entire face. I love using this. However, do I see extraordinary results from using this? Not really, because as I said, I'm a seasoned acid user, but I really love using this once a week. It makes the skin really soft, because that's what it's supposed to do. It's an acid, it's an exfoliant. And another very important thing to remember is that ideally use it in the night, and for the next 1 week your skin will be very sensitive to sunburn. So if you're using any acid, that is something that I have been saying in a lot of my videos and also on my Instagram page. If you use acids for exfoliation, please use sunscreen. If you cannot use sunscreens, do not use an acid exfoliant. It's as simple as that. And this will last me about 13-14 uses for my face and neck. And so ideally, you do the math, this should last you about 3 months if you're exfoliating regularly. The pH of this is about 3.6. So I read a couple of blogs saying that this is not effective enough for the BHA, which is the salicylic acid in this, to work pretty well to unclog your pores and stuff like that. However, this is perfect for the AHA to work on your skin. What consists of the AHA in the peel is a mixture of glycolic, lactic, tartaric and citric acids, and the website says that it exfoliates the skin's topmost surface for a brighter and a more even appearance. And as somebody who's been using acids for a very long time, I know that one of the first things that can give you an even tone and an appearance and also keep your skin soft is using acids. This peeling solution contains a derivative of Tasmanian pepperberry, and this is supposed to, it claims to reduce irritation on your skin, but I still feel a very mild irritation on my skin, which I do think perhaps my skin borders on sensitive at some points in time. So let me take you right in on how I go about using this. The instructions call you to clean your face and wait for the skin to dry, and to not use it with wet skin. So this is a pretty bloody red color, and I didn't swear, I just mean, so it's almost like beetroot's juice. So this is to be applied evenly across the face. This is applied on my face and my neck whenever I want to be using this, and today I'm not using it on my neck for the purpose of filming. This should be used only once a week, no more than that. If you're also using acids for the first time, which is, by acids I mean alpha hydroxy acid or beta hydroxy acid, mandelic, glycolic, any of the acids which is pretty usual when you're using them for the purposes of exfoliation or brightness, for example, like the Sunday Riley Good Genes, which is basically lactic acid. If you haven't used any of these acids before, this will sting your face. So if you're using it for the first time, I would definitely suggest Don't use it for more than 3 or 4 minutes for the first time and then wash it off. Also, don't use it for more than once a week. Another thing would be that this needs to be applied on your neck and your face evenly, or any parts of the body that, if you usually wear wide necked clothes, then just drag it down to as much skin that will be visible on your neck, so that exfoliation is even. Definitely wash it off after 10 minutes, and that's about it. Let me wash my face and come right back. Generally, my thoughts on this, will I continue to repurchase this? Yes, I have also suggested this to some of my friends, and they have also used it with equally great results. I will keep repeating this. Please use a good quality sunscreen if you're using acids, and this is especially important when you use AHA. So alpha hydroxy acids will make your skin sensitive not only to sunburn but also to any light. So if you're going to be using a mask like this and then going to be peering into your laptop or your phone screens or stuff like that, please, the first thing, as soon as you wash your face, apply your sunscreen and then go about doing your thing. Whether indoors or outdoors, please use sunscreen. I only wish you very happy skin and happiness. Until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.